Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to separate numbers from text in Microsoft Excel. If you have lots of data like this, where text and numbers are all together, you know that manually separating them is not only boring but also time consuming. I have got some simple tricks to save you lots of time. Let's jump right into it. If the data is like this, the fast and quickest way to separate text and numbers is by using Excel flash fill features. Here's how it works. In the next cell, manually type the text from the first cell. Then simply press Ctrl plus E on your keyboard and boom, Excel automatically fills the rest of the text for you. See how fast that was. Similarly, you can do that for the numbers. Type the number in the next cell and press Ctrl plus E again. And just like that, both the text and the numbers are separated. There's also another way to separate them. Use the text to column features. First, select the data that you want to separate. Then go to the data in the ribbon and click text to column feature. A new window will pop up. Choose delimited and click next. Then select a space and click next again. Finally, choose general and hit the finish button. Excel will separate the text and numbers into different columns for you. Very easy, right? You can also apply VBA code to separate numbers from text. Here's how you do it. First, you need to enable developer mode in Excel. Right-click any blank space on the ribbon. Then go to Customize the ribbon and select the developer checkbox and click OK. Once the developer mode is turned on, click the developer tab. Then select Visual Basic, go to Insert and click Module. And now paste the VBA code for separating text and numbers. Close the VBA window and go to your Excel sheet. Now apply the formula in the next cell like this, equal to get numbers, select the A1 cell. First bracket close, then press enter. Just drag down and the rest of the numbers will be filled in automatically. Do the same for text with a different formula. Equal to get text. Select the one cell again, first bracket close and press enter. And drag down. All your text and numbers are separated. If your database is arranged one after another like this and you want a quick way to copy numbers and text separately, then you can use go to a special feature. First, select all the data that you want to separate. Then press Ctrl plus G from your keyboard. Click on a special, then select constants. Here we only want to keep the numbers, so deselect everything except numbers. And click OK. Now press Ctrl plus C to copy the numbers and paste them into a separate column. Next, repeat the process for the text. Select all the data that you want to separate. Then press Ctrl plus G from your keyboard. Go to special again. Go to constants. And this time only select text. And click OK. Copy the text again and paste the text into another column, and that's it. If you found this video is helpful, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you next time.